How to read a .xlsx file using the Pandas library in Ipython. I want to read a .xlsx file using the Pandas library of Python and port the data to a PostgreSQL table. All I could do up until now is. Now I know that the step got executed successfully, but I want to know how I can parse the Excel file that has been read so that I can understand how the data in the Excel maps to the data in the variable data. I learnt that data is a dataframe object if I'm not wrong. So how do I parse this dataframe object to extract each line row by row?
I usually create a dictionary containing a data frame for every sheet. Update. In Pandas version 0.21.0 plus, you will get this behavior more cleanly by passing sheet _ equals none to read under for Excel. In 0.20 and prior, this was sheet name rather than sheet _ This is now deprecated in favor of the above.
Sometimes this code gives an error for Xlsx files as Xlsx column Excel Xlsx file not supported. Instead, you can use OpenPixel engine to read Excel file.
The following worked for me.
Dataframe's read_Excel method is like read_CSV method.
Instead of using a sheet name, in case you don't know or can't open the Excel file to check in Ubuntu, in my case, Python 3.6.7, Ubuntu 18.04, I use the parameter index_call equals 0 for the first sheet.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.